Okay, here's your homework help for tonight. You have 14 problems. It's on setting up proportions and changing the conversion rates. So I was asked to do 2 problems. Okay, the first problem I'm going to do is number 5. So as I look at number 5, I know I'm comparing feet to yards. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up, my proportion, feet over yards, and I'm going to set it equal to the same thing, feet over yards. Now when I look at this, I know the basic conversion is there's 3 feet, 1 yard, and now I want to find out if I have 30 feet, well here's feet, I want to find out how many yards. There's 2 ways to do this. The way I like to do it is scaling, so I can say, what can I multiply 3 by to get 30? And that would be 10, since I'm going from a smaller to a bigger. So then if I multiply the top by 10, multiply the bottom by 10. So 1 times 10 is 10. So my answer to this problem is 10 yards. If you did not want to do it that way, which most of you don't, and you want to butterfly or bow tie it, you can say 1 times 30 is 30. Divide by 3, you're still going to get your answer of 10 yards. So that's number 5. Make sure you set up the proportion. Okay, the other one I'm going to do for you is number 11. You do it the same way. I'm comparing kilograms or kilograms to grams. So I'm going to say kg over g is equal to kg over g. I know for every 1 kilogram, there are 1,000 grams. So if I have 5,000 grams, I want to know how many kilograms. If I scale this, I can say 1 times something is, 1,000 times something is 5,000. That's 5. So I can multiply 1 times 5, and I'm going to get an answer 5. If you don't want to do it this way, you would still do the same proportion, but this time you would cross multiply. You would say 1 times 5,000, 5,000, divide by 1,000, you're still going to get 5 kilograms as your answer. So again, make sure you set up the proportion.